An Air India Boeing 787 crashed just as it took off. It crashed within seconds. It crashed in a medical hostel, taking lives on board and on the ground. Namaskar, Jai Hind. I'm Praveen Baliga and welcome to VOIC, that is Voice of Indian Citizen, that is mine and your channel. Today is the saddest day in Indian aviation. Why? Because today an Air India Boeing 787 took off from Ahmedabad, flying towards Gatwick, but unfortunately it crashed just as it took off. On board were 240 passengers that included 169 Indian citizens, 53 British citizens, 7 Portuguese citizens, and 1 Canadian citizen on board. The flight also included 12 cabin crew members and the pilots. This is a sad day and we pay our prayers to the deceased and their family. Also, the disaster turns worst by knowing the flight 787 Air India Boeing crashed in BJ Medical Hostel. In the hostel, over 10 people died and over 60 were critically injured. The injured are being rushed to the hospital and being taken care in the emergency departments. The news got way more disastrous and saddened when the news broke out that former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Vijay Rupani, was on board and he too lost his life. The news went viral with a loss of a political leader, and a lot of politicians stood up for paying homage for our ex-Chief Minister Vijay Rupani ji. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji sent a sad message to people of India and people of world, saying heartbreaking and beyond words. Of course, because this is a very sad thing that no one wants to lose their loved ones away from them, and in such a plane crash where 787 is been known as the most reliable aircraft. Home Minister Amit Shah ji directly rushed to Ahmedabad, being his hometown, and was at the spot of crash. Our Home Minister Amit Shah ji guaranteed that he is going to keep a close eye to this case and will be working with the Gujarat police. We are going to stand together. In the middle of all the disaster, one miracle suddenly came out. That a British Indian guy who was a British citizen came out of the wreckage walking. What happened on board? How did it happen? What happened just before the crash? There are two most important people who are going to speak up for these answers, that people want to know, that the nation wants to know, that the world wants to know, and the families of the deceased and the injured want to know what happened on board. The sky is going to be heavy with people going to be scared of flying in air, and this wait is going to be for long, not just in India but all over the world. But our duty is not just to check out the news or check out the reel or tweet, but our duty is to pay condolence, homage for the deceased and the ones who are injured, and stand together like a family. So the survivor and the black box are both going to speak up and spit out the truth, what actually happened on board. On board, after getting in the flight, on board before the flight, on board when it was taking off, and on board before it just got crashed. We'll be waiting for the survivors' response to this and on the study of black box. As the news broke out, the CEO of Air India came out and released a video in public about the losses, about the damages, about the injured, and this is the message that he gave. Please go ahead and watch it.
I'm Campbell Wilson, the CEO of Air India. I want to brief you on a serious incident that involved an Air India aircraft a short while ago. But first, and most importantly, I would like to express our deep sorrow about this event. This is a difficult day for all of us at Air India, and our efforts now are focused entirely on the needs of our passengers, crew members, their families, and loved ones. I know that there are many questions, and at this stage, I will not be able to answer all of them. Investigations will take time, but anything we can do now, we are doing. We know that many people are concerned for the welfare of their loved ones. We have set up a special helpline that friends and family can reach us at. The number is 1-800-5691-444. That is 1-800-5691-444. We understand that people are eager for information. Please know that we will continue to share accurate and timely information as soon as we can. But anything we report must be accurate and not speculative. We owe that to everyone involved.
We will be updating you about more information that will be leaked out, not through any other source, but from the Aviation Department or from the Indian government. That is going to be authentic and verified. So stay tuned with us. This is Praveer Baliga again on Voice, that is Voice of Indian Citizen, that is mine and your voice. And please stay safe. Please take care of your loved ones. Take care of your family. Even when you go out in streets, wear the helmet, wear your guards, keep yourself safe.